Welcome to our comparison video where we put the Redliro under-desk treadmill against the Hccsport Treadmill. Today we're diving deep into what makes each of these treadmills tick based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's see which treadmill might be the right fit for you. When it comes to price, both the Redliro and Hccsport treadmills are evenly matched, each coming in at $469.
This puts them in a competitive position for budget-conscious buyers looking for a reliable indoor running solution without breaking the bank. The Redliro under-desk treadmill is celebrated for its quiet operation and sturdy build, making it an ideal choice for home use without disturbing others.
On the other hand, the Hccsport Treadmill boasts a 3.5 HP motor and a variety of features including a detachable desk, making it a versatile option for those looking to integrate work and workout. Design and functionality-wise, the Redliro claims a 2-in-1 foldable design for easy storage, while the Hccsport steps it up with a 3-in-1 functionality, including a desk attachment.
This makes the Hccsport an appealing option for those aiming to multitask during their fitness routine. Both treadmills offer a variety of workout programs, with the Redliro featuring 12 preset programs and the Hccsport matching this, but also offering incline adjustments.
This slight edge in customization might appeal to those looking for a more challenging workout.
In terms of portability and storage, both treadmills boast easy storage solutions, with the Redliro fitting under beds and the Hccsport being light and compact enough for closet storage. However, the Hccsport design might offer slightly better convenience for those with very limited space. Overall, reviewers appreciate the Redliro for its quiet operation, sturdy build, and affordability, making it a solid choice for home use. The Hccsport, with its versatile features, including a detachable desk, strong motor, and compact design, is praised for its ability to integrate work and workouts, making it an ideal choice for the multitasking fitness enthusiast. That wraps up our comparison between the Redliro under-desk treadmill and the Hccsport treadmill. Which one caught your eye? Are you looking for the quiet and sturdy build of the Redliro? Or does the versatility and strength of the Hccsport appeal more to you? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below, sharing your preference and why. Check out the product links in the description to learn more.
Thanks for watching, and we hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision.